Hey everybody, I'm back with a second update on my new launch coaster. So firstly, you can see here that the gearbox has been improved. A second longer pneumatic cylinder right here has been added. The gearbox has been reinforced along here and in here just because before, when it was under full tension, the whole gearbox was warping in this direction. Which was causing as you probably saw in the last video, it was causing the release of the launch, which is instigated by these pneumatic cylinders, to be unreliable. So you'll see the new pneumatic cylinder in effect if I firstly disengage the drive gear so that the motor is not resisting the motion of the drum here, and then I manually crank back the drum so that there's some tension on it. You'll see that the new pneumatic cylinder and the new gearbox as a whole is quite effective. A fast and smooth release. In terms of layout improvements, I've added quite a bit. So you can see here, it was in the last video, the Immelman to snake dive element. Then it comes into a bank turn here, up into a large outer bank, comes quite far out from the layout, into another bank turn, then into a finishing element, a heartline roll. It's more of an inline twist, but we'll call it a heartline roll, and then right back into the station. I've also made a few improvements to the other end of the cable tensioning system. This end is mainly intended to keep the cable in line while it is under tension and ready to launch. So I've made improvements to the alignment of this piece at the end here, which just keeps the cable in line and ready to wrap around all the way back to the other side. And I've also added this piece here, which better aligns the cable to enter these two wheels here, which again are just meant to keep the cable aligned when it's under tension and so that it doesn't wave about wildly. Now that you guys have been fully updated on everything that's happening with this coaster, it's time for a full circuit test run.